Welcome back.
Welcome back, guys, to... what happened to my voice then? Welcome back to Tiny Toon...
Oh, dude. Dude.
What, the boss?
The boss?
Oh, do you remember this? The fucking world's easiest boss.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it was, wasn't it?
This is like... Ready for this? One.
Bam.
Oh, you want another one? There's another one. He poses...
Alright.
He poses a little threat, but not really.
Bit.
Oh, fucking hell.
3.
You know, I may have spoke too soon.
4.
Okay, ready, and...
Bam.
Done.
Done it. Done.
That was it, that was it.
That was it, ladies and
I want a timer on that. I want to find out how fucking quick that was.
I wonder if there's someone that can go... do.
Maybe. Oh man, that's what I love about speedruns, is just how people fuck with the game. I don't know how they do it some of the times. Some of it's like some of it's like frame, like you have to be on the frame specific kind of thing. Oh yeah, this is where I got to.
I don't remember this.
And it's fucking stupid.
Is it?
This stage is just like, you don't know where to go.
Oh.
You literally don't know where to go.
Oh, okay.
At least I think. I don't know.
What the?
Oh, see what I mean?
What is going
And
on?
then you can jump up there. I'm gonna kill him.
Yeah.
Because he's a dick.
Where'd you go?
And then it's just all over the place.
It's random.
And then you go down here.
Is it sky? Is it sea?
Is it sky? Is it sea? I don't fucking know what it is.
Oh,
I want to kill this motherfucker first.
Yeah, get him.
Do you think it's possible to do like a wall kick? No.
No. Maybe, but no.
Access denied.
Access denied.
Is that how does it go? Access denied. Is that how it goes?
I can't remember, to be honest.
You love you used to do that quote all the time with the gun rack thing from
man.
Wayne's World.
Oh yeah. I knew that whole thing off by
Yeah, you haven't done it for a while.
I need to rewatch that and get back in. I'll do it for the show one day.
There's a special stage. Do you think I should risk going up?
It's special.
It's not even worth getting up.
Nah, fuck it.
What could they possibly give us? We haven't lost any fucking lives yet.
Yeah, look at us.
Which surprisingly is surprising.
It's
surprisingly surprising.
surprisingly.
Oh. Wait. Level lives.
Wow. 11 lives. Where'd you go?
I should have died there, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I think this is near the end of the stage. Why is a bat in... Bats don't live outside in the daytime.
Well, there you go.
There you go. Apparently bats live out in the daytime.
Yeah.
Yes. Do you want to do the next one?
Yeah, alright.
I don't know what's beyond this now. I think that's where I gave
I
up.
have no idea.
I think I game over and I was like, fuck this game. No, that was the end of that. Oh, yeah.
There's a boss already.
Fucking enjoy.
Really?
That's all I can say. Enjoy this fucking stage.
This ain't a boss.
No. This is
no
it.
boss?
This is like... They're getting to like the story point of the game.
Oh, okay.
Which is why it's called Buster's Treasure. Because you find some treasure on the ship.
Yeah.
And then this other fucking little dick comes along and tries to take it from you. Something like that.
Something like
that. Yeah, you caught through there. I got all the way to the boss and then died at the boss. So, you know.
Oh, God.
Yeah, no.
Oh, hiccups.
Oh, I'm so hungry right now.
Same.
You know when you just like, lunch.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have for lunch.
Yeah. Oh,
can I
God,
have?
hiccups.
I've had really violent. You ever had like really violent hiccups?
Yeah, really bad.
Where it's just like this actually hurts a little bit. You're like, I can't stop it. It's dying. It's horrible.
What's the... Oh, God. What's the longest time you've had hiccups for?
About an hour.
Yeah, same.
It's horrible. And then I read somewhere there was a guy who had hiccups for like
10 years or something.
Yeah, ridiculous amount of time.
And do you know what it was?
What?
There's this guy. God, I can't get rid of them. God, some guy had him for like forever, and he went to the doctor with it.
Yeah.
And he had some sort of like tumor of the brain or something.
What the fuck?
I know, right?
Go and get a glass of water.
I'm alright.
Oh, you gotta go left here.
Oh, we've got
that fucks you.
We've got a show going on right now.
That's fine. I'll carry the show while you get a glass of water.
Oh God!
Seriously, this is amazing. This is like real time.
Yeah.
Like forever documented hiccups.
First world hiccups.
First world hiccups. Like first world problems. Fucking. Do you think like in third world? Yeah, don't go that way.
All right.
It's this way. I want to go.
All
Do you think in like third world country they get hiccups? Third world country.
Am I?
There's only one.
Am I going the right way?
You get sprung that way. You kind of fly across that. Oh. It's ridiculous. That's not how physics works. But
man.
And then you have to go right. Yeah, there's ghosts. Hence the scary music.
Oh, for God's.
Oh no. Okay.
Oh,
Maybe
no.
I'm wrong.
Oh no.
I think this is where I got lost.
Oh, that was cheap.
Fucking ghosts. I think maybe you jump up there.
Fuck. Oh god.
I would head to where those guys are. Because I don't really remember.
Way? Oh man. Which way?
I think you want to head right now. I think this is just fucking with you.
Dude.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
The no lies rule.
There's load and it's gone.
It's over.
Go and get a fucking glass of water, man.
Oh no!
Yeah, it's all the way back here. I'll sing a weird song while you're gone.
Really?
Yeah. I don't fucking know.
I'm trying to ride it.
You're riding through the hiccups.
Oh yeah.
I did that once. Not rode through them, just tried to.
No.
It's horrible.
Doesn't Kendra know like a trick for getting
She
rid
might
of them?
do. Go and ask her.
Yeah, she does.
Go and bring her in, see what happens.
Oh god.
This could be fucking. This could be brilliant or really bad. I don't know which one. So Chris is gone right now. So it's just me with this fucking ice cream cone throwing motherfucker. I taken out that guy, and now I've got Belle. He's coming back sometime soon. So here I go. Is that somewhere? Honestly, guys, I've done this stage before. I really have. I just can't remember. Oh, I know. I can just sort of hear them in the background. Fuck. Oh yeah, I'm going this way. There you go. What did she say? What did she say?
I don't like swallowing.
Oh my god.
Oh god.
So you didn't figure it out, no?
Okay, so I think I've got it.
You think you've got it?
Yeah. Welcome.
Chris is back, everyone.
So.
So this way?
Oh god. So apparently, you let all your air out.
Yeah.
And then you take a little sip of air.
Okay. A little sip of air?
Yeah. Like a little sip of air. You hold it.
Yeah.
Then you. Fuck. And then you have to gulp it down. Take another little sip of air, gulp it, and keep doing that until it's gone.
Would you just mean like a deep breath? You're just taking a deep breath?
No, like a little.
Oh, okay, like a little.
Yeah. So let me try this. So you let out your air.
Oh, you go this way, fuckers. Is it working? Dun, 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 dun. Sounds like you're fucking. I don't know what the fuck's going on with you right now.
Is it? No, it's not worked. Okay.
I'm not sure that's a real thing.
It worked last time for me.
Did it?
Like on the spot, it worked.
Wow.
Yeah. Like magically.
It's hard to tell, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Okay. I'm sure I'm doing it wrong.
I'm sure I'm doing this fucking wrong. Where the fuck do you go?
Right?
Maybe it's up there? Isn't that the way I came? No. Oh, no.
Oh.
Yeah, I remember. Fucking stage. Kill these fucking frogs. Frogs and ghosts, ladies and gentlemen. Frogs and fucking ghosts.
Yeah.
That's what this stage is about. Fucking ice cream cone motherfuckers. That's what it looks like. I don't know what else it would be. Do we do that? Is that the way? Oh no, I remember.
Can you push it?
Yeah, you gotta push the fucking block.
Pushing mechanics.
Yeah, there you go. Ah.
Oh, shit.
Fuck. Alright. Are you over your hiccups now? No, is it still there?
No, it's still there. The trick didn't work.
Nah, I didn't really think it would. I gotta be honest.
It worked last time.
Oh.
Nice.
I did not know that. I accept that. I'm probably trying to kill these mother. Yeah, there you go.
God.
It's just so. It's like it's so violent, isn't it? Like
it is.
You ever had those ones that are just so like they actually do hurt a little bit?
Yeah. It's such a pointless thing as well.
Yeah, it is. Like, what's the benefit of it? It's just trapped air, isn't it? I can't believe you spent fucking 10 minutes talking about hiccups. Fucking how does anybody spend 10 minutes talking about fucking hiccups?
Hey man, we could do it. We could talk about anything.
We could literally talk. Well, in this stage where I've died fucking 3 times.
Huh.
And then you do leap of faith. There you go. Is there something up there?
Oh,
there is something up there.
Fuck it. Similar ghosts.
I reckon there's like a really skilled way of doing that.
Maybe.
Like you jump on each enemy's head to get to the top. I might just be making this up.
Quite possibly.
I don't fucking know anymore. I just want to make the fucking world a better place.
What's your name? MJ?
MJ. Make it a better place. Oh, that's a terrible fucking MJ impression. Did he make the world a better place? Who knows? Who knows?
I don't know.
He gave us music. I suppose that's kind of making the world a better place. I gotta stop fucking doing that.
Oh, it's so cheap though.
It is cheap. Cheapy cheap. What's the point of that?
I don't know. Is there a point to it later on?
I don't know.
Keep pushing it down.
There's a heart there. I need that. I need that more than life itself. I'm gonna. It's my mission.
Oh, fuck.
God damn it! It's so fucking slippery.
But you know what? It's really gonna punish you to get there, I bet.
Yeah. Oh, is it the other way?
Yeah, it's the other way.
Shit. Okay.
Oh, cool.
That's fine. Oh, yeah, okay. You know, you just disappear on us. That's fine. I think we're actually supposed to go this way. Shit!
Fuck. Oh, dude.
I think we can...
No.
I think you got to go the other way.
Yeah. Oh, no. Nice. Nicely done.
Oh, no.
Shit.
Oh,
God.
What is this game? What the fuck is...
Oh.
No. Stop it.
God.
Stop it.
No. Oh, man. Fuck the game.
Next episode, this fucking pirate ship.